Hello, my name is Julie White. I'm an Evolve 365 learning strategist with Planet Technologies. The need to understand and master remote working is only getting stronger in 2021. And Microsoft Teams is continually getting updates and enhancements to the meetings experience. So this month for tips and tricks, we want to do a series on Teams meetings. Today we'll be talking about breakout rooms and polling. Let's take a look. Breakout rooms allow organizers to divide the meeting into subgroups to help facilitate discussions and brainstorming sessions. As an organizer, you'll be able to set up the breakout rooms by clicking this breakout room icon. When you select the icon, it'll give you options to start creating the rooms. How many do you want? And if you would like it to automatically assign participants, or if you would like to manually pick which rooms each attendee will go in. Using the room settings, organizers can choose to allow participants to return to the main meeting room. That way they could ask clarifying questions if needed. Once the rooms are open, the organizer can join any of the rooms. That way they can participate in discussions. The organizer can also pull everyone back into the main meeting when you're done with your breakout sessions. As a meeting organizer, you can prepare polling in advance. To set this up for advanced polling, go to the meeting details and click on Add a tab. From here, you'll select Forms and click Add. This will create a polling tab for you to prepare your polls before your meetings. Now that this tab is available to me, I can click on Create Poll and start my polling process. A great example for a poll would be to create an icebreaker. So here we can create a question that would ask users where they're joining from. And we can give them a couple options to choose from. Are they joining from home or the office? And then click Save. So when I join the meeting, I now have the polling option in my details. And if I click on it, it will give me the option to launch the poll that I've already created or create a new one. When I launch the poll, it's posted in the chat, and the attendees are asked to fill it in. And it also gives us live results. I hope this first video in our series was helpful for you. If you'd like to contact a learning strategist about anything discussed in this video, feel free to reach out to info@futureproofyourworkforce.com. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.